A blinking green camera can be caused by several issues, including a poor internet connection, problems with the servers, or outdated firmware. To resolve these issues, start by checking your internet connection and performing a speed test to ensure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Try moving the camera closer to the router, and if the connection is slow or not working, restart the router by unplugging it from power, waiting 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. If the issue persists, check the server status by visiting the official website or contacting support, and wait for the problem to be resolved. Alternatively, update your firmware by checking the application for a newer version and following the prompts to complete the update. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a camera that is flashing green due to one of these common issues.